A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. So first we'll start from LHS and we'll solve the bracket terms first. So B intersection C is equal to B value is set of 2, 3 and 4 intersection C value is set of 3, 5. So the common between B and C is the element 3. So B intersection C value is set of 3. Next we'll find A cross B intersection C. A value is set of 0, 1 cross B intersection C value is 3. So now write in ordered pairs. We'll get 0, 3 and 1, 3. So mark it as equation number 1. So after solving for LHS, we need to solve for RHS. So RHS, the first term is A cross B. So A cross B is equal to A value is set of 0, 1 and B value is set of 2, 3, 4. So write in ordered pairs, we'll get 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4. So after finding A cross B, find A cross C. So A value is again set of 0, 1 cross C value is again set of 3, 5. So write in ordered pairs, we will get 0, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3 and 1, 5. Next we need to find A cross B intersection A cross C. That means the common ordered pair between these two. A cross B intersection A cross C. So find what is common in these two. So 0, 2 it's not there, 0, 3 you have in both, 0, 4 is not there, 1, 2 is not there and 1, 3 is there in both. So 0, 3 and 1, 3 and that's all. So mark it as equation number 2. Now compare your equation 1 and 2 and verify whether both the values are same or not. So when you compare both the equations 1 and 2, you get the value of set of 0, 3 and 1, 3. So from 1 and 2, you can say that A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. So next we need to verify A union B cross C is equal to A cross C union B cross C. So first we will start with LHS, and LHS you need to find the value of the term which is in bracket first. So that is A union B. So write the value of A first. So A value is set of 0, 1 union B value is set of 2, 3, 4. So union is nothing but writing all the terms together in one single set. So when you club these two, what you will get? You will find A union B cross C. So write the value of A union B, that is set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 cross C value is set of 3, 5. So write in ordered pairs, we'll get 0, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3 and 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 3 and 4, 5. So mark it as equation number 1. So now we will find RHS values. So that is, first you need to find A cross C. So what is A value? 0, set of 0, 1 cross C value is set of 3, 5. So when you solve these two, we'll get 0, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3 and 1, 5. So after finding A cross C, find B cross C. So what is B value? So B value is set of 2, 3, 4 cross C value is again set of 3, 5. So write in ordered pairs, we'll get 2, 3, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 5. So after finding B cross C, find A cross C union B cross C. So write all the ordered pairs together. If any pair is repeated, just write it once. So we'll get 0 comma 3, 0 comma 5, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 5. So mark it as equation number 2. Now compare your equation 1 and 2 and verify whether both the values are same or not. So from equation 1 and 2 we get A union B cross C is equal to A cross C union B cross C. Hence verified.